All right, so now you have the bass, you know what the bass is, the parts of the bass, but now the bass could be way out of tune. So there's a lot of easy ways to tune the bass, and the first way to tune it is just by having an electric tuner like this. A very simple, this is my favorite tuner, it's a GT3 by Korg. I've used this in a lot of my videos, so if you've seen that, then you know this is my favorite tuner. There's a lot of different tuners. You can get a tuner on your phone. The guitar tuners on your phone are harder with the bass because they're kind of a soft sound with the bass. So you might need to actually get this tuner and plug in the jack to the tuner. Let me just show you how you would do that. It's really simple. You want the green light you want the light to be in the, let's see, when you get the right note, I'm gonna stop talking and I'll show you where it should be in the middle. Just like that. And when you're tuning with this, what you'll do is you'll kind of play your note like this, very evenly, and you'll kind of move back and forth until you get it right. That's E, and you want to make sure that you're tuning that E, A, and then D and G. That's the names of the strings, which we'll get into a little bit later, but as you're tuning this, you want to make sure that your tuner says E, and it shows that it's in tune. If it says something else like D and it says it's in tune, then you could be tuning your E string to a D note and it could get off. So the best thing to do is to go to somebody who's at your church, somebody who plays the bass, even the guitar store for the first few times. Say, will you tune my bass? Will you get this in tune so that it's in tune and you know it's in tune and you can just move forward. And then also get you a tuner. I like having a foot pedal floor tuner, a small floor tuner that's always on the floor. You can plug your bass into it, then you plug that into your amp or into the church. So when you go to church, you step on it and it tunes with these lights. So I have recommendations of these in this lesson. You can click here below in this lesson. You can check out the different tuners. But it's good, it's really important to be in tune and to have a tuner.